In my opinion, this is the best photographic book of the whole history of southern homes on the market. Rasoli rocks. Note, I am speaking photograph related only. Closing parenthesis. Great coffee table book. I used this as our guest book for our wedding. I wanted something with enough space on pages so guests could write their note and name in between the texts and pictures. I searched for a while before finding this one. It arrived in perfect condition. I could not tell from the product description or photos how much blank space the book would have, but figured with the amount of pages and pictures it would work. Based on customer reviews, I had high hopes it would work, and it did not disappoint. I received a ton of compliments on the unique idea, but mostly for how gorgeous the book was and all the photos with details on each house. My guests loved looking for a house in their city by using the box's index, and would suggest visits or trips I should take in the future. I highly recommend the book as a coffee table book, guest book, gift idea, etc. I have not had time to read it, but I have read on a few of the houses, and it gives great detail on the houses I have known growing up in the south. The book is very detailed. We'll be taking this with us when we visit the area. The book was absolutely stunning. It was a gift to friends who hosted me in their home in Atlanta. It was a perfect fit. It inspired my friends to see those homes again on their vacation. This book rates a 5-star. It is extensive in the history for each home. The photographs leaves one in a state of awe. Through the pictures I could almost feel the warmth and majesty of each home. I have visited several of the homes in this book, but reviewing the book makes me want to go back again and pay closer attention to the detailed architecture and interior decorating. This is an excellent coffee table book. You will not want to keep this book on a shelf. It's too pretty to keep tucked away. After visiting Oak Alley Plantation during a trip to Louisiana, I developed an interest in southern plantations and mansions. This book did not disappoint. The pictures were breathtaking, and the biographical history that accompanies them is an education that will stick with you. I was amazed at how modern some of the houses were, and how they were restored and maintained. There are now several more great houses I plan to visit. I just received this book, and though I am delighted with the quality of publication and the content including choice of houses, many of them unfamiliar to me, I have to say that many of the best illustrations are often put to a page plus captions and printed text, thus making it difficult to add. Still, a worthwhile book on par with Wendell Garrett's Victorian America, which however does give full page cover to most of its images. This book is intended as a living room conversation piece rather than a reference work or scholarly study. That, of course, does not diminish the supreme quality of the photography of this rather small selection of grand southern houses. Let me make clear that the selection is small, but the houses are most certainly not. The author treats us to gorgeous stops at Mount Vernon and the Biltmore House, Shirley Plantation and Whitehall. Click link in description for more reviews.